Direct and manage project execution. Direct and manage project execution is the integrative process that encompasses all the work needed to produce the project deliverables, whether they be directly related to the final product or part of the project management processes. Other knowledge areas contain processes that are focused on work specific to subject matters, such as conducting procurements, but direct and manage project execution is the dominant one for all executing tasks. The exact activities occurring within direct and manage project execution will depend upon the application area of the project. For example, a house construction project would include activities like pour concrete foundation and erect framing. Some of the general activities within the direct and manage project execution include: perform the activities that produce deliverables, obtain vendor quotes, bids, and offers, staff, train, and manage human resources needed for the project team, incorporate approved changes which included approved process improvement activities, approved corrective actions, approved preventative actions, and approved defect repair requests into the project, collect and report on work performance information, such as status, cost, schedule, quality. Direct and manage project execution. Inputs. Project management plan. The project management plan details how the project will be executed, managed, and controlled, including many subsidiary plans as to how changes to major project components, such as scope, budget and schedule, will be handled, and how important factors such as communication, risk, and quality will be managed. The project management plan is the key source of information relating to project management for the project. Approved change requests. These were requested changes that have been approved for implementation through the processes in Perform Integrated Change Control. Change requests can come about due to any reason, including scope changes, policy or procedural changes, cost or budget changes, or schedule changes. Enterprise environmental factors. Any of the many enterprise environmental factors and systems that influence the project should be considered. These factors can include its personnel, its organizational culture, its tolerance of risk, and its formal and informal hierarchy. Organizations may also have custom or commercial analytical databases that can include cost estimating, risk, or demographic data. Even elements outside the enterprise, like business conditions and political climate, can influence projects. Organizational process assets. Organizational process assets are the source of existing policies, processes, organizational data and knowledge. These assets include the entire collection of formal and informal methodologies, policies, procedures, plans, and guidelines, as well as the organization's knowledge base, which includes historical performance data, labor information, service and maintenance history, issue and defect history, project files, financial data, and so on. Direct and manage project execution. Tools and techniques. Expert judgment. Expert judgment is based upon the experience and knowledge of subject matter experts. It's used to assess and evaluate the inputs and the information they contain. Project Management Information System (PMIS). The PMIS provide templates and automated tools that assist in the project management processes. A PMIS can include any number of components that might assist in processes relating to scheduling, resources, configuration management, change control, and issues management. A PMIS also provides methods to collect and distribute data that PMIS contains. Direct and manage project execution. Outputs. Deliverables. Deliverables are not just the final product, service, or result of the project. They include anything that's needed to produce the project's objectives and perform project management activities that are described in the project scope. Work performance information. Work performance information is any data that can be considered related to the work which produces the project deliverables. Examples are schedule and progress status information, budget and cost status, quality status, estimates to complete, resource utilization information, and lessons learned. Change request. While performing the project work, it's likely that changes are going to be requested and discovered. These are desired changes to the project scope, policies or procedures, cost or budget, or project schedule. These change requests from these process become inputs to the perform integrated change control process, which will review, evaluate, and decide upon the change requests. Project management plan updates. Approved change requests will be incorporated into affected components of the project management plan. Project document updates. Approved change requests and work performance information will be incorporated into affected documents that aren't part of the project management plan. These could include items such as schematics, diagrams, meeting minutes, and logs.